Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the present support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frame. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Friday, November 18th. We have medium impacting news plan for British pound related currency pairs at 12:30 p.m. Again at 2 p.m. we have medium impacting news plan for euro related currency pairs, and at 8:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news plan for US dollar related currency pairs. So there are no high impacting news for any of the major currency pairs today. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, around the support level of 1617, we have noticed a gold to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again at this level, which is between 1785 to 1800, had acted as a very strong resistance, and since it couldn't break this resistance zone, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And when we look at this area from the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong resistance level in the past, and it had also acted as a very strong support level in the past. That's why we are noticing the current price action to struggling to break this resistance zone. And also it has formed a triple bottom pattern, and it has also completed its triple bottom pattern. And only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect a new trend to start from this level over here. Otherwise it will only be completing its triple bottom pattern, and we can expect a retracement to start from this level. But on this retracement also, we have a very strong support zone which is going to be around 1730, which is the neck level of the triple bottom pattern or the double bottom pattern, which it has to break if it wants to continue trending on the bearish side retracement. So the current price action is trading between a very strong support zone and very strong resistance zone. It needs a high volume bearish side candle or a high volume bullish side candle in order to have a directional momentum from this level. And when we draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action, from the bottom I am drawing a support line or a trend line, and from here also I am connecting the highs over here. And based on this trend line, we can understand that previously the price action took resistance and had bounced back on the bearish side retracement, and currently also we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line. And on the bottom also we have a trend line or a support line where we have noticed a price action to bounce back every time it tested this resistance line. So currently if the price action trends on the bearish side, we can expect it to take support at this support level of 1730 and also on the trend line from the past price action. So it has to break both the support line and the trend line in order to trend further on the bearish side retracement. And from the past price action also we can understand that whenever it wants to make a trend reversal, it forms into a double top pattern. Then we have noticed it to trend down on the bearish side, and currently we are noticing it to test this resistance level once and it has retraced back. So looking at the current price action, there is not enough volume also in the candles, so we can expect little bit of retracement then to trend on the bearish side if the bearish trend is still stronger. So if you have not entered into the trade at this level, you can wait for the price action to retrace and to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is not a bearish trend or it's not a bullish trend also. It is under a consolidation for now. And this level of 1755 is acting as a very strong support level for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support level if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed the price action to trend on the bullish side, again to bounce back, again retested this resistance level, again to bounce back. So in this process we have noticed the price action to make a triple top pattern, and currently it is on a retracement. And looking at the current level, previously this level of 1754 had acted as a very strong support. Currently also it is acting as a strong support for the present price action. So if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side, I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support level, based on which you can enter on the bearish side trade. And next level of support from the 4 hours time frame is going to be around 1730, and it has to break this support line or the trend line in order to continue further on the bearish side. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue or the consolidation to continue within this support line and this resistance line. So the first level of support is going to be around 1754, and next level of support is going to be around 1730 from the 4 hours time frame. And currently, although it is on a bearish trend, it is only a retracement. Only when it breaks this trend line, it will be a bearish side trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action in hourly time frame is on a bearish side retracement, and as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. And now it is trading between the support level of 1754 to resistance level of 1770. Wait for the price action to break this support zone between 1754 to 1750, and next level of support is going to be around 1733, 1717, 1694 and 1680. And if the price action breaks this resistance line or the trend line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1770, 1784 and 1800. So these zones marked in blue color are the support zone. So usually supports are not single values, it is a range. So the range between 1754 to 1750 is acting as a support zone for the bearish trend for now in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, as mentioned in the hourly time frame also, it is still in a very nice bearish trend. And we have noticed the price action to take support around the support level of 1754 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. But again it couldn't break this resistance line, and we are noticing the price action to again trend on the bearish side to retest this support level of 1754. So for now, this area between 1754 to 1750 is acting as a very strong support zone. So wait for the price action to break this support zone if you want to take trades on the bearish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this trend line if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side retracement. And for now, the current price action in 30 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation within the resistance level of 1784 and support level of 1754. And only when the price action breaks this consolidation, we can expect a directional momentum on the bearish side or on the bullish side based on the direction of the breakout. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1761 and support level of 1754. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1754, next level of support is going to be around 1750 and 1745. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1761, next level of resistance is going to be around 1766, 1770, 1776, 1784 and 1786. Currently this area between 1754 to 1750 is acting as a very strong support zone, and on the bullish side the area between 1784 to 1786 is acting as a very strong resistance zone. So if you are a scalper, you can be trading within this resistance and support levels, but if you want to take a directional trade, wait for it to give a breakout from this support zone or from this resistance zone in order to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.